So as you know, patent will protect a novel invention for a certain number of years. So let me tell you a story of Slinky and how Slinky was discovered by a man and how he filed for a patent, and that allowed him to generate massive amount of revenue and profit for his company. So to earn a patent in United States, you have to file for a US Patent and Trademark Office, and you need to demonstrate your innovation that is new, non-obvious and useful. And let's look at the innovation of Slinky as an example. So a shipyard engineer with the name Richard James accidentally created Slinky in 1943 while he was trying to create springs for use in ship instrument. And later he filed for a patent for this specific product, and that's how he was able to generate massive amount of profit up till 2003. But we will discuss more about that story. But imagine, and then they filed for a patent and sold more than 300 million Slinky till 2005, and they generated billions of dollars of revenue. Now imagine the potential of lost profit of Slinky if James hadn't filed for a patent. And that's the beauty of having an intellectual property like patent or copyright or trademark.